Good morning. The tourist site that I recommended is the place where I was born. The New Guatavita is a municipality in the department of Cundinamarca. It's the perfect place to spend pleasant moments with friends and family. It is characterized by its colonial style. The old Guatavita was flowed for give way to the Dam of Domine, where you can practice water sport as a colonial church with large stained glass windows and very beautiful painting located in the East Mountain Range after special conditions for paragliding as a clamping to the enjoy natural and the unique lawn cover of the Cundiboyacense savanna. Cultural activities and restaurant with a pleasant atmosphere, wide cradle of the golden legend. Thank you.